Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install application on brand new iPhone 16e. Before installing any application from the iOS App Store, you need to add an Apple ID. If you have not added the Apple ID yet, I will provide the guidance video link in the video description. If you have added an Apple ID to your phone, proceed with the next step. Now open the iPhone App Store. Then click on Continue. Scroll down and turn off personalized ads. After that, such an interface will appear. Now click on Search to find the application you want to download. Now I will download the WhatsApp application. Search by typing WhatsApp here. Now tap on the WhatsApp Messenger app icon that appear in the search result. Now tap on Get, then click on Install. After that, enter your Apple ID password and sign in. When you download the app for the first time with a new Apple ID, this pop-up will appear. Click on the Review here. Then a new page will open. Agree to the terms and conditions and Next. On the next page, select the payment method None. Then enter the billing address. Enter your full address and PIN code. Next, select your state. Now enter your phone number. Once all your details are filled, click on Next. Apple account complete. Now click on Continue. Then click Get again to download WhatsApp Messenger. Click Install. Then enter the Apple ID password and sign in. The application downloading has been started. Require password for additional purchase. Set first option. Requirement after 15 minutes. WhatsApp has been downloaded successful. Now you can open the WhatsApp app and create an account with your phone number. Guys, when you download an application for the second time, after clicking on Get and Install, a pop-up will appear. There is no need to enter the Apple ID password to download any free application. So click on Save. So guys, in this way you can download your necessary application like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, etc. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.